400 divided by 8. Here 8 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 8. 8 times 0 0, 8 times 1 8, 8 times 2 16, 8 times 3 24, 8 times 4 32, 8 times 5 40. To find out the multiplication table of 8 easily, you need to add 8. 0 plus 8 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, like this, right? So now look, 8 goes into 4 how many times? Since 4 is less than 8, so 0 times. 0 times 8 0. If you subtract, you are getting 4. Bring down this 0. 8 goes into 40 how many times? Look, 8 goes into 40 5 times, right? 5. 5 times 8 40. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 8 goes into this 0 how many times? 8 goes into 0 0 times, right? 0. Then 0 times 8 is 0. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. So your answer is 50, that is 50. This 0 don't have any value, so 50 is your answer.